All right, so I'm going to do a few of your problems from your homework sheet for tonight. You did not have to do 6A and 6B as homework, but I'm going to go ahead and go over those now. This is like what we did in class today. All right, so you're going to see in the problem it says years since 2000. So instead of using 2009, we're actually going to use 9 and 13. Okay, so those are going to be our x values, 9 and 13. And then we're going to plug both 9 and 13 into t, into your original equation to get your y values. So we talked about this, especially with fourth period today, about how you can do this all at one time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my 9 and my 13 into my y, into my L1 on my stat. So let me go back from the beginning there for that. You're going to hit stat, hit enter on edit, and I'm going to put 9 and 13 in L1. For L2, I'm simply going to type my equation, 4,000, 0.75, and I'm going to raise it to the 9th. And when I hit enter, it's going to give me that value already in there, 300.34. For the second one of L2, I'm going to put the same equation, 4,000, 0.75 raised to the 13th, and it will hit, oops, see where I went wrong? 4,000, 0.75 raised to the 13th. And it puts that value in there. In order to get my final answer for my average rate of change, I'm just going to hit stat, calc, or enter, and it's the A value, so negative 51.3. So that was negative 51.33. All right, likewise, 1995 to 2009 is going to be 14 years, and 2012 would be 17 years. So those would go in right here, and you would simply type that straight into your calculator. So your x values are 14 and 17. And your y values, you type your equation, 1.15 to the 14th, and 975, 1.15 to the 17th. Those two values there, stat, calc, for enter, and your slope is 1197.8. All right, number 7 and number 8, you're going to use this top point, which would be 0, 2000, and this point in the middle here, which is going to be 30. I'm sorry, that's 0, 2500, and 30, 2000. All right, so then you would do that there. Okay, over here, I would use this initial point, which is going to be 0, 0. And this point here, that's going to be 2 1/2. And you would find your slopes from there.